Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and on here we'll be talking about things you need to know as a beginner trading Forex. Forex is a business, and when you treat it as a business, you'll be profitable. Take note, for those using my name for investment schemes and investment purposes, please be warned, I have just one Instagram account, probabafx, or you can as well visit my website, probabafx.net, where you get to see all my socials and everything related to probabafx. So please take note. Anybody telling you get money in for investment, get money in for that, that's not me. I don't do investment. I don't do that. Back to the topic for today. I'll be talking about things you should know as an aspiring trader or as a beginner trader, because they are very necessary. The major aim is for you to be profitable, okay? Not just to trade. Yeah, trading could be addictive and it could be fun, but on the long run, you need to be profitable. That's the reason why I wrote a book, Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader. You can go on Amazon and search for it, or better still, go on my website, you see it there. That book is a blueprint that takes you step by step on how you can be profitable. And notwithstanding all my experience, I shared it there. So it's a book I know you will not want to miss. Go get it, it's nice. Back to the topic for today, things you need to know as an upcoming trader or as an aspiring trader. First of all, in every niche, we have terminologies. What I mean by terminologies, words they use, things they use. They don't just use the normal words everybody use. Okay? In Forex, you have what we call pips. We also have what we call bullish. And we also have what we call bearish. And so forth and so on. We have resistance. We have what we call support, and so forth. So all these are Forex terminologies you need to be acquainted with if you want to trade Forex. These are the terminologies you use in Forex. But before getting into Forex, like someone who doesn't know anything about Forex trading, the first thing you should know is how this Forex trade is being operated, like the things you need to know before getting in. First of all, before you get into Forex, you need to have a broker. A broker is like your bank. These brokers help you put your money into your trading account and also help you get your money off the trading account. Okay, so they stand as your bank, your Forex bank. So without them, you cannot trade. So you actually need a broker. Then elaborating on a broker, you don't just use anyhow brokers. There's what we call regulations. These regulations are things that helps guide that broker not to make away with your money. So you actually need a broker that is regulated if you want to trade Forex. And if you need one, I can refer to you the one that is well regulated you can use. There are 1,000,001 brokers out there, but the problem is most of them are not regulated. And most of them, their platform are very shitty, like they are spread wide, a lot of manipulation goes on. You get, so it's very important you get a well-regulated broker that will help you make profit. I do say a lot. Brokers have an amount of input to help you become a profitable trader. A broker can make you lose. A broker can make you not be profitable as much as you want to be. So it's very important you choose a good broker. Like I said, if you want one, I can refer one to you. Okay, back to beginning Forex. First of all, you need to have a broker, which I just said now. You have to have a broker. After having a broker, then you need to have the platform, the tool we use to trade, which is called MT4. MT4. And we also have MT5. What's the meaning of MT4? MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, you can find it on your app store on your iOS. These are softwares we use to trade either on your phone or on your laptop. You get, this is a platform where you log in your account which your broker have created for you. the broker has to create an account either on MT4 or MT5 so you can log into the app and fund your account, then trade on the app. On the app is where you see your chart, where you see things like this. As for beginners, this is your chart. You see the graph. You see graph go up, go on, go on. This is where the whole buying and selling goes on, which is the chart. So as a beginner, you need a broker, then you need MT4 or MT5, one of them. You can use MT4, which is popular. You can also use MT5, which is also cool. You get? So, but you must need these two, one of them, to be able to trade after getting a broker. Then back to the terminologies. I also talked about support, resistance, bearish, bullish. You don't say sell, you say bearish. When the market is selling, you say it's bearish. When it's buying, you say bullish. Then pips, what you use to calculate your profit, either your loss or your profit, that's pips. So you need to get acquainted with all this as a beginner. You don't just, because someone tells you that you can download MetaTrader 4 and start trading, you now go and download it and open trade. No, you have to get acquainted with all this first. When you are done with getting acquainted with the terminologies and knowing about the broker you want to invest your money in, then also getting the MetaTrader 4, and then there are also other softwares. My FX book, there are other softwares you also use for analysis and you also use to for forex trading. So when you get acquainted to all this, then you are now ready to trade. Let's say you are cool with all this. The next thing, you have to learn how to buy and sell. That's what we're going to talk about right now. So as a beginner, you have gotten a broker, with a very good regulated broker, and you're acquainted with the terminologies, which is buy, sell, bearish, bullish, resistance, support, pips, everything. You are cool with it. What is the next thing now? You fund your account. And how do you fund your account? Through a broker. You fund your account through a broker. So most of these brokers, they use the local way of transact, like you pay into your naira and they help you put it in your dollar. Some of them, they can use crypto. So there are different mediums you can fund your account with. So you choose the one you want. You want to go local, the local bank way, or you want to go through crypto, which of them, you fund your account. When you have funded your account, you are now ready to trade. Then the next thing you learn as a beginner trader is risk management. Now you've put in your money into the account. What next? I want to start trading. You will not use, for example, you put in $100. You will not use the whole $100 to trade. That is where risk management comes in. Because nowadays, a lot of people will say, I'm not profitable. I've never made money off Forex. Forex is scam. Forex is gamble. No, if you understand Forex as a business and understand this word, risk management, if you understand this word, risk management, you'll be profitable. This is the factor that has made a lot of traders not profitable. They want to use $100 to make $10,000. How possible is that? It could be possible, but I call it luck. And I don't like luck. I like what you know, like you're sure of this and you go in for it. So with risk management, you can grow an account as a beginner trader. If you have a target that every day I want to make $10 or $20, by the time you trade 5 times, 20 times 5, that's 100. You've made a $200. And that will determine on what we call the lot size you use. I forgot to tell you about that. That's one of the terminologies you need to learn. Lot size. Lot size is the measurement you use to calculate your profit. We have this from ranging from 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. So someone using 0.01 would not make the same profit with someone using 0.03. So you see the margin as it goes 0.04 until you get to one lot, two lots, three lots, thereabout. You get? So this is where risk management comes to play. So after you have gotten the rudiment, that's the basics of of trading forex, the next thing you have to learn is risk management for you to be able to trade. Trading is not difficult. A lot of people feel it's difficult. It's just you have to have the knowledge. You don't just dabble into it. A lot of people dabble into it and they lose their money. Yes, if you have been following me up, sometimes I fund as low as $50 and grow it to like a $150 over time, 1 week, 2 weeks, and I put out results. You get? And during those times, I trade with caution, with risk. I tell myself, if I'm losing, if I lose up to $8, I'm off the market. That's my target. If even if I have an opportunity to make more money, I have that discipline. Once I lose up to $8, I leave the market. Okay. So let me make an example of that. Let me give you an example. So still talking about risk management, we have what we call stop loss. So when you want to trade, you have to use your stop loss as a beginner trader. Okay, this is your graph. Let's say the market is buying. You can see sometimes it comes up, it's not constant. Sometimes it comes down, it goes up again. Okay, let's say at this point you open, this is like your level 1, level 2, level 3. So you having, I'm talking as a professional now, you're looking for an entry point, like you're looking for a confirmation to tell you that this market is actually going to sell. So maybe probably you get a point that this point, this is where I want to get my entry. You open a buy trade there. When you open your buy trade, you should be cautious by putting a stop loss. So we have pips. You can count the number of pips you want to lose. So let's say if 10 pips, you lose like $10, you minus $10, then you put your stop loss there. That's to say, if the market leaves, doesn't go my direction, comes down again, and once it hits this $10, take me off the market. And another thing, when it comes to discipline, when it takes you off the market, don't, because of it has started going up again, you go and open another one. You're gambling. You're not sure. So you have to be very sure this time around before you open up another trade. So what I advise for beginners, stay off the market first. Observe it. Observe it very well. Then know the market you are trading, the currency pair. Study it. This is the behavior. This is how it does. If you are fine with it and get your confirmation, you open up another trade. And when you open up another trade, still put your stop loss. A lot of people trade without stop loss, and it's very bad. When you trade without stop loss, you would be hoping that it will come back, it will come back. Before you know, you've lost $50. You intend to lose only $10, to risk only $10. And now your drawdown is $50. You didn't take caution. You are not disciplined enough. No matter anything, if, okay, let's say you're trading with a $500, you now say, okay, I don't want to lose more than $50. So you should count the number of pips and know how many pips is going to move against you before you get to a $50. It could be here, it could be anywhere, you calculate it. So when you get to $50, take me out of the market instead of me losing more and more and more. So these are a lot of factors a beginner needs to learn. By the time you practice this over and over and over again, you become a pro, like me. So starting up wasn't really easy. I passed through a lot of challenges. Sometimes the market will be dribbling me. Yes, I should know I should stay off this market. Yes, the market could be consolidating and doesn't pass a particular range. It doesn't mean it will not buy or it will not sell. But at that point, you need to know you need to get off the market until you get a proper confirmation before you can launch an entry. Okay, so a whole lot will be taught if you are interested in learning Forex. You can visit probabafx.net and get the service you want there. You want a mentorship from me, you get it. You want the trading robot, because a lot of people don't have time to trade. They would want a robot to trade for them, which is one of the services I offer. You go for the robot, you go about your 9 to 5 job, and the robot trades for you. Then you want an online academy, like you want to join the probabafx academy, where a lot of things will be taught, like the proper analysis before you get in, the right time to enter the market, and the right time to get off the market. Then you enroll for the probabafx academy. And on probabafx academy, we trade 3 to 4 times a week, depends on the condition of the market. We don't trade every day because we want to be profitable. Like I do say, let's milk it. What are you waiting for? Join a profitable academy and let's milk it.
Probabafx shop for you.